One is abandoned, the other a sleeper hit. Samsung NX1100 versus Lumix GX85. Which old mirrorless camera actually holds up in 2025? The Samsung NX1100 launched in 2013 with the APS-C sensor, part of Samsung's now discontinued NX system. Great JPEGs, Wi-Fi but no 4K. While Lumix GX85 launched in 2016 with the micro four third sensor, 4K video, IBIS or in-body stabilization, tilting touchscreen, still relevant in budget vlogging. The Samsung NX1100 is a forgotten gem, but the Lumix GX85 still's pocket powerhouse. If you want a retro charm, the Samsung NX1100. But for actual video content creation in 2025, the GX85 takes the win. If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.